Hey there, Dotson guys with MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I want to show you a quick little snip of a trade that we got coming online. This is a 2016 420 Scout LXF. We just had the boat topside from the waterline up, fully freshly detailed. Got a brand new interior placed in and it's almost fully complete. We just got to finish up the cabin. So check out those photos. Ask about more information. We've got more information coming online, but we look forward to showing it to you. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. And again, my name's Dotson guys from MarineMax here in Charleston.